Welcome to Hanging Out with Robert, that's me. This video contains things that I encounter throughout the day. If for some reason I complete a task and you would like to see the details, you can click on the link in the description area below. This video also contains tips and tricks that I learned throughout the years. I plan on leaving this video accessible for about 30 days. After that, you can view it through my Patreon account. Thank you very much for watching. Here we go, folks. About to do a dash here on Ando's car. This is the before picture. Only thing he did was took off the dash pad. The rest of it's been just crumbling apart day by day. Can't believe it. Look at that dash pad too, man. This is the Arkansas style one right here. Good Lord. If I've ever seen this before, but this under dash panel fell out of the hooks, I guess. Falling down on the driver's feet while he's trying to drive. Sometimes. This is crazy. This car is destroyed. So we got the dash out. Now we're trying to sort out this wire harness. Is definitely different on this one. All the way down to the plug for the airbag. So we're going to switch this wire harness over. And we're going to support these mounts even though none of them are broken. Don't want to put that thing together and then the mounts start breaking a year or two later. So we're going to cut these two straps, pull this wire harness out, bring the other wire harness over here and put it in, get some zip ties. Everything's coming together, but I need to find the vent plate to swap that over to the new dash. I got the pins out of the old one, so that should lift up and out of there now. But I need to find the replacement one because this is to the car it came off of. Still on Ando's car. His PNP switch is out of adjustment, but it's actually kind of strange because it'll start and park and halfway into reverse, the reverse lights come on, but when you're all the way in reverse, you get no reverse lights. It will not start in neutral. And sometime when he's in drive, he's got to bump the shifter to get it to drive because it's like it's in neutral. So we're going to adjust the PNP switch. And that adjustment is done here with these two screws right here, these two 13s. So I'm going to loosen these 13s. I'm going to move this forward. And then we're going to tighten them down. I'm going to take up half of the space that's in that bolt hole there. And then we'll see if we can start the car and get our reverse lights correct. Pulled it back just a little bit. Now we're going to see if the car will start and park and give us reverse lights. Here we go. Yep. Blowing a little smoke for some reason. Alright, shift it in reverse, see if you get reverse lights. Shift it halfway between reverse and park. Alright, come back toward reverse, I'll let you know when the lights come on. Right there. Up, come back a little bit. Move it around. Up, almost. Go back the other way, I guess, till you get reverse lights. Right there. Let's see where your shifter is.
You're off of here.
Huh?
You're off of here, so I had to go up there last time. Now it's right here.
All right, so go back to where you make the lights come on again. Right there. Let's see where you are on the shifter. Man, you're still back. Almost. All right, so let's try it one more time. Go ahead, shut it off. This is where we're at now with this. Go ahead and put it in park, see if it'll start in park. All right. Rev it up a little bit. Okay. We don't even got the mass airflow sensor or nothing connected or the air box on. All right, hit reverse, see if the lights come on. All right, we'll move it around, they're not on. Right there. It's not. Barely what? Barely all right, put it all the way in reverse. All right, we'll try it one more time. All right, put it in neutral, see if it starts in neutral this time. It triggered the alarm, I think. Oh, okay, it's not starting in neutral. Move it up towards reverse, see if it starts. A little bit toward reverse, it tried to start? Right. All right, we'll try to adjust it a little bit more. Moving that switch a little bit more toward the front. We're almost out of adjustment space here. All right, let's put it up a little bit more. It is starting in park. Put in reverse, see if we get reverse lights. Nope, move it around, see if they come on. Right there.
Literally, I just had to still an arm and I just had to touch it.
So you had to push it forward a little bit?
Yeah.
All right, push it a little bit more forward. Right there. Let's see where you are now.
Okay, so I'm locked in R, right? I just had to go like that.
Okay, so I'll adjust it another little 1/8 of an inch because there's still some slack in there, and then we'll see if it'll start in neutral. There it is. Got a lot of bolt hole in there. Put it in reverse, in park, see if it'll start. All right, roll that thing back to reverse. Bump it a little bit right there.
Same thing as last time.
All right.
There?
Nope. So if you just push your finger a little bit forward, it'll come on.
Like that again.
All right, let me try one more adjustment.
Jerk to the right.
This is how it looks when your control arm's really bad. See how much that wheel moves? And if you hit your brakes, the car jerks. Makes it feel like it's hitting a patch of ice. We need an inner tie rod in on this car. The control arm actually looked good. And we replaced this sway bar end link. You can see how that had no boot and it's loose, so that'll cut out some noise. But the one we put on, the boot was loose from the clip that secured the boot to it, so we're going to have to get that replaced under a warranty. So we're going to go tomorrow, see if we can find a good inner tie rod in at the salvage yard and a CV axle on the passenger side. Another thing I really encouraged him to do is these tires. These are directional tires, but look at those cracks in the sidewalls. Those things are due to be replaced. Let's check these other tires. This tire looks low, and Ando has this little drill-shaped tire inflator. It says I'm at 18.5 back here. Park brand, that's Walmart's product, and it's just pumping it up. I'm gonna pump it up to 32. This will definitely help my tire wear and also may help my gas mileage. I had it up to 32. When I let it go, it dropped down to 30. Yeah, it's got a 2 psi error while it's pumping. Alrighty, that'll do it for me. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.